My husband, it's our anniversary today.
I guess we're going to Texas Roadhouse tonight.
Man, I wish. We talked about that. We're like, man, we wish there was a closer Texas Roadhouse. All right, factor.
Assignment for today?
Well, we're doing it together. So there's no assignment. Your assignment is to work on your note card. Now, if you lose your note card, I'm not giving you another one. I'm telling you that right now. If you lose it, you're not getting another one. Period. Yeah.
Wait, there's no home.
What kind of, what method are we going to use for number 1?
You're just going to do the X.
How do you know?
Because there's only 2.
It's a binomial with what?
An exponent in the front.
The exponent subtraction sign.
Minus in the middle. Binomial minus sign in the middle, so it's difference of squares, okay? Now, the square root of 4? 2x. And then the square root of 25, y to the 4th?
5 y to the second. I mean,
It's 5y to the second.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. 5.
So 2x, 5y squared,
You don't have to
2x.
do the X?
No, really.
What the bum?
So this one's plus, one is minus.
I really want some chicken. I'm getting too fat for school.
Lucky.
I care, and you're gonna care.
I'm going to get you for 2 because I get it.
Difference of squares. Number 2. It said, oh.
No, I can just leave it on. Hey.
Number 2, write an expression equivalent to 2x minus 5 times 4x squared minus 7x plus 3. What are we doing here?
This is a test when we sell loss because I don't know what that means.
You don't have to worry about the wording, but what are we doing here with these two polynomials? No, because kidnap, what it does is it breaks it back apart into your 2 groups of parentheses, right? This is already in 2 groups of parentheses.
So then, oh yeah, you add them. Right?
Combine means to add or subtract. Do you have plus or minus in between the parentheses?
No.
So if there's nothing in between, that means that you multiply. But we are distributing, we are multiplying a binomial with a trinomial. So there's an easier way other than distribute. We learned how to do FOIL and box method. Which one would be easier with this one? Box.
I don't really know how to do box, bro. Wait, you just draw a box. Oh, it's a big box. I know, but like.
The reason box method is easier with this one, with this type of example, is because you're multiplying by a trinomial, okay? So it keeps it pretty organized. In double distributive, that one can get messy if you forget where you're at. All right, let's fill it out. 2x times 4x squared?
X 8x cubed.
Yep. 2x times negative 7x?
Negative 14x squared.
And 2x times 3?
6x.
4x squared times negative 5?
Negative 20x squared.
Okay, negative 5 times negative 7x?
35x.
Just positive 35x. Negative 5 times 3?
Negative 15.
Okay, now which ones combine?
6x and negative.
Negative 20x and 40x.
The diagonals.
Yeah.
Okay, so
20x squared and negative 14x squared.
And
those combine, and combine means to add.
35.
And then these combine right here. All right. So first thing, let's bring down our 8x cubed. What is negative 20x squared plus negative 14x squared?
Negative 34x squared.
And then 35x plus 6x.
21x.
41x, yes, good. And then bring down the minus 15.
Shoot.
That definitely needs to go on my notebook.
Yes.
What if I
Anything you feel like needs to go in your note card, put a little star next to it.
what if I just like
Put everything on my note card.
and put it on the note card and like open it and it's technically still on the note card.
Wait, what did you say?
Like what if I fold this and then I glue it to the
No.
note card?
No. It has to be written on the note card.
Can I use
front and back of it.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, you done that.
You can use front and back of your note card, but it has to be written on there. All right. It says, that's fine. Write an expression equivalent to this by what?
Factoring out greatest common factor.
Okay, so this one you just have to factor out. Now, I'm going to tell you right now, on the test, focus. On the test, it's not going to tell you to factor out the greatest common factor. You're going to know that you're going to factor out the greatest common factor because your answer choices are going to have a term in front of the parentheses. Okay?
So it's kidnap. Yeah, wouldn't you kidnap?
No, because you need to take out the greatest common factor.
What the fuck?
If you look at your answer choices, you will have one term in front of an expression. So instead of like going through the whole process, greatest common factor, then kidnapping, all it's going to do is take out the greatest common factor. That's it. That's it. Okay? So, let's find the greatest common factor. Greatest common factor. What is the biggest number that goes into all of them? 4. And they all also have what?
A Y.
A y. Okay? So we divide each one by 4y.
Dang it, I put it in the middle. That's stupid.
Can we just?
Now, write your 4y out to the side. 20 divided by 4 is?
5x y.
Oh,
Wait, just kidding.
5x
Well,
Y
it's-
squared.
Yes, 3 minus 1 is squared. So 5xy squared. Okay? Now, 16 divided by 4?
4.
4. And then the y is what? Cancel out. 4 divided by 4?
Y. Negative 1y.
Okay.
Just y.
Now look at the inside. Can you kidnap that?
No.
So that's how you know you can only take out the greatest common factor and you stop there.
How do
Okay.
you know you can't kidnap?
You can't kidnap an XY.
But why couldn't you just kidnap right there? The 20. How do you know you don't kidnap?
You can't kidnap. You
It
can't.
has to be the same for you.
You can't kidnap XY cubed. When we kidnap and when we use diamond method, it all has the same letter.
So it has to have the same net letter.
Yeah.
So let's say.
And also,
I have a question.
hold on. Also, when you do diamond and kidnap, you can write this on top.
What's diamond method? Is that
The diamond and kidnap method, we've talked about this and we wrote this at the very top of the whatchamacallit, at the very top of the notes. Those expressions are quadratic expressions and those only go up to squared. Hold on. Let me find one.
You're gonna lose the back. No, watch. If I don't.
If you look at it,
I had a dream that you died.
Oh, yeah. What?
oh no, shh. No. If you look at it, it is a trinomial. There's only one variable. It's a trinomial. There's only one variable. There's only an x in the trinomial. And the highest exponent is 2. Okay? Now look at this one. This is a trinomial, but the highest exponent is 3. And it also has a mixture of x's and y's. So you cannot kidnap. You can't use diamond method on this one. Got it?
Oh, so if it has a mixture of variables.
That's not kidnap.
So it all has
You
to
just,
have the same.
Okay.
it only has to have one variable. There's only an x.
Wait.
The highest exponent is 2. And it is also a trinomial. If it was a binomial, you would do what? Difference of squares.
So it has to be trinomial with not a mixed variables and with the highest exponent.
No, this is all review. Only one variable. Does that make sense? Only one variable, or should I elaborate on that?
No, that makes sense.
Okay.
No, that doesn't make sense. Elaborate.
Only, only an X.
Like only if it's a Y, only a Y.
I don't see.
Only X, only G, only P, only R, only Q.
When you said that, I thought you meant like only when you it has two variables up there. So that's why I was like, what?
So if you look at difference of squares, that one, hold on. This one has an X and a Y. Difference of squares. That one has an X and a Y. And it's also only two terms. But here, kidnap, you only have X. You only have X. You only have X. You only have Y. Get it? All right.
I get it.
All right.
That makes sense.
Moving on. Let's see. A polynomial can be rewritten as which of the following expressions? Okay. This time we have a trinomial, but we have a mixture of what? So the only thing we can do is what?
Greatest common.
Greatest common factor.
What in the bum?
Okay.
Has X and Y.
I knew that.
All right. So, greatest common factor, what is the highest number that goes into all three?
3, 4.
Not,
It's 4.
no. 4 don't go into 14.
Side.
It's
Yeah,
2.
It's 2. So, greatest common factor. Now, do they have any variables in common?
No.
X and
2 of them do.
Yeah, 2, but all.
But not all of them, so no. They would all have to have them in common. So, you can only factor out a 2. So, 14 divided by 2 is?
7 X Y.
12 divided by 2
6 X Y.
squared. And then 28 divided by 2?
14.
14. Okay? And that's all you can do to it. You cannot kidnap the inside because you have X's and Y's.
Oh shoot.
Okay?
So that's the answer.
Yeah, that is the answer.
6, 7.
What is that method called?
Hmm?
What is that method called?
Greatest common factor. Greatest common factor. All right. Theo is planning to make a rectangular garden. The area of the garden will be represented by...
We have to what's it called? We have to square
Nope.
root.
How do you know?
Because there's 2.
There's 2 and what else? It's a binomial. What else?
Fraction.
Why do I have no?
Not fraction.
Oh, subtraction sign.
Minus sign in the middle. It's a
How do you see the
binomial
root?
with a...
It's so tiny.
You can square root a whatever.
It's so tiny.
Piper, you can use all of
What
these
you talking
calculators
about?
Oh, I thought that was a different question.
Something's up with you.
All right. So the square root of 225 x squared.
Let's see. 25.
Try again.
Oh, 6.
6.
15x. Now what is the square root of 1 over 16? Yes, you can put a fraction using alpha x into your calculator and under the square root.
I got this. Why is it wrong?
1 over 4.
It's 4.
1 over 4.
1 over 4. And the last thing is what? 1 is plus, 1 is minus.
Because you
But
did it
you
wrong.
have to put second and then the square root and then your number.
To do the square root symbol, yes, you put second x squared. And then once you have your box inside of the square root symbol, do alpha x.
Honey, you're doing negative. You don't do negative. It's a minus, not a negative. You don't do that. No.
Sorry, should I make it longer? There you go, minus.
Don't look at the symbols when you do that. You just do it.
Yeah. Only square root the number, don't include the negative in there.
It's shine.
Yeah.
Shine bright.
All right. Everybody got this one?
Mm-hmm.
Now, what method are we going to use with number 6?
You're gonna kidnap.
How do you know?
Kidnap, because it's the same, and it's the square.
Correct. It's a
biggest.
same variable, highest exponent is 2. What else? One more reason. We wrote it down.
Trinomial.
It's a trinomial. All right.
Yeah, I'm so smart.
So, kidnap means 2.
Kidnap.
Multiply. So, it changes to x squared plus 12x minus what? 45. 45 goes to the top. 12 goes to the bottom. Solve it. Sorry, yes, it is negative 45. Thank you.
What in the bum?
9 and
I don't know. This person was playing in the calculator.
15 and negative 3. Now, I guarantee you there will be an answer choice that has x plus 15, x minus 3. But when you kidnap, what can you not forget? Give the kid back. What number was the kid? 5. So you get x plus 3. And then what do you do with the second one?
5x.
Bottoms up. Yeah.
Bottom. Oh, what?
Yeah, bottoms up. Remember, bottom number rises to the top, not top to the bottom.
Oh wait, that's giving the kid back. Oh shoot, I'm cooked on that paper. Oh crap.
All right. Number 7.
I love how I saw the bag on that.
Square root.
How do you know?
Because there's binomial.
Binomial and minus sign in the middle. So you square root both. What's the square root of 36x squared?
6x.
Square root of 81.
9.
Okay, so 6x minus 9, 6x plus 9. Done. Flip it over
Hold on.
when you're ready. Flip it over when you're ready.
Dang it.
Move, I can't see. It's right here.
It looks exactly like yours, except my parentheses looks dumb.
No, hers is pretty.
Boys, ours look the exact same.
All right. Do you need to kidnap on number 8?
Wait, no, yes, stays the same.
When do you kidnap?
Wait, no, you just did the X.
You go straight to what? Diamond method. This one's just straight diamond method.
This is easy.
Okay, so 16 on top, 10 on the bottom.
Oh, 8 and 2, yeah.
So put it in your parentheses, x plus 8, x plus 2, because they're both positive, and you're done.
Yeah, I mean, that was easy.
There should be a lot of those in
Huge. All right. The area of a soccer field is represented by this expression. How do you represent the length and the width? How do you find area?
That's kidnap.
L time.
You kidnap it.
Length times width. But how do you know you're kidnapping here?
Because it's
Trinomial,
X,
the
it's
variable,
trinomial.
exponent is 2.
Trinomial, same variable, highest exponent is 2. Very good. So let's kidnap.
I vote.
Yeah, let's kidnap.
X squared plus 5x minus 36.
Wait, what's the flip part?
Oh,
All right, solve it.
No
3
idea.
and 12. No, just kidding.
I have
6
no
and 6
idea.
now.
I know what it
I
is.
can figure it out.
I know what it is.
4 and 8.
Try close. Very close.
4 and 9.
4 and 9.
All right.
Negative.
Which one's negative?
The 9. The
4.
9 minus 4. Are we done?
No.
Why not?
Give it back.
Don't forget to give. What was the
Return
kid?
it to the family.
6.
Okay.
6 years old.
All right. What happens when we? Okay, this is a extra step. What happens when we simplify 4 over 6?
1/2. Oh, just kidding.
Not 1/2.
2/3.
So write the new fraction and do bottoms up with the new fraction. So 2/3 becomes what? 3x minus 2.
What in the bum?
What in the bun?
What in the buns?
And 9/6 can simplify.
Yeah, what is 9 over
3/2.
Yeah.
Oh my.
So that one becomes what?
Is that 3x
2x plus
2x plus 2. 2x.
Now look at those two binomials. We have 3x minus 2 and then 2x plus 3, same numbers. So I can guarantee you there's going to be one that says, an answer choice that says 3x plus 2, 2x minus 3. So very, very important that the negative is on the correct number. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Miss Lovelace's floor plan for her classroom. Write an expression to represent the area. How do you find the area?
Box method, right?
You just
To find the area, you multiply length times width. What are they? Binomials. So when you multiply two binomials, box method.
You could do four too.
You could also do FOIL, yes.
Can I just make the box out of the box?
You can make a box out of the box.
no.
Shush. She said I can.
All right. 2x times 3x.
6x squared.
6x squared.
2x times negative 2.
Positive 4x.
Negative 4x.
3x times 3.
Oh, I'm stupid.
3 times negative 2. And diagonals combine. Combine means to add.
Add it.
6x squared plus what? 5x minus 6. Questions?
Is that it?
Almost done. 2 more.
Then you
Square
can
root,
do that.
square root, square root.
How do you know your square root?
2. And there's a subtraction sign.
Binomial with the subtraction. So what's the square root of 196?
14.
14.
14y, actually.
Okay, square root of 841.
29.
Okay. 14y minus. One's plus, one's minus. Very important for that because there's always answer choices that have both plus or both minus as well. Okay. The last one. How do you know you go straight to diamond and not kidnap?
Because there's no number in front.
There's no number in front of x squared. Good. So negative 77, negative 4.
Negative what? No, that's subtraction.
The top numbers are negative
10 and 7. No.
What's up, negative?
X. You request second correct.
Oh, yeah, I was close.
Well, you want the bottom number to be negative, so which one has to be
It should have
negative?
been negative 11. Wait.
You have to put the negative on the 11. Yeah. So x minus 11, x plus 7.
Because there's no number.
That's it.
Easy money.
We're done.
Whatever.